Have you ever wondered how much exactly is $1 trillion? Would it surprise you to know that $1 trillion is followed by 12 zeros? Well, we have loads of people who make millions and billions every day. But the question is, how many of them will be able to become a trillionaire? One of these exclusive people is Elon Musk. And today, we'll talk about how much money does Elon Musk make? Will he be the world's first trillionaire? Without wasting any time, let's dive in. It doesn't matter if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a random employee, we all have a lot to learn from this real-life superhero. Here are some of the success secrets from Musk's life that help reveal how he chased his dreams, so you can too. If you stay until the end of the video, you'll learn how Elon Musk made $83.6 billion and how much he'll continue to earn. Before we continue, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Elon Musk believes in a room full of fans. Tesla stuffed the audience with giddy supporters who laughed at every joke and cheered boisterously at every bit of news. Often, the auto industry introduces new vehicles to audiences made up almost exclusively of journalists. So when a car rolls onto stage, the cheers are non-existent or muted. But if there's a stable of fans in the audience, it creates an exhilarating atmosphere that even stone-faced journalists can't ignore. A good example of this was when General Motors introduced the redesigned Chevrolet Corvette Stingray to a crowd of enthusiasts and reporters on the eve of the Detroit Auto Show in January 2013. Routine matters. Elon Musk's day starts at 7 a.m. sharp. The billionaire only gets 6 hours of sleep every day, which according to him is more than enough for him to feel well rested. He never compromises on sleep and has admitted that without an adequate amount of rest, his productivity completely goes down the drain. While you might think that this successful entrepreneur works out or takes a walk after waking up, he does exactly the opposite of that. With a strong cup of coffee, Musk spends his first few hours of the day looking through his emails and responding to them. He believes that without responding to urgent emails first thing in the morning, his entire day goes to waste. He confirms meetings, initiates projects, and knows what exactly he needs to do throughout the day, all before he reaches his workplace. This helps him plan his day out as early as possible and then execute all that needs to be done throughout the day. Musk has described his estranged father, Errol, as evil. Errol Musk was once tried and acquitted of manslaughter. Errol shot and killed 3 men that attempted to break into his Johannesburg home. In 2017, Errol had a son with his stepdaughter, Jana Bezendehout, who's 40 years younger than him. That's right, stepdaughter. Errol got together with Jana after divorcing her mother, Heidi. He uses straightforward language. The auto industry's obsession with empty jargon is pretty perplexing. Auto show news conferences are full of phrases like capable and best in class. What does that even mean? Who wants a capable car? No one. Musk uses language people can relate to. The issue with existing batteries is that they suck. They're really horrible, he said at the launch of Tesla, and then added they're stinky, ugly, and bad in every way. Then he laughs, adding humor to the conversation. Musk has made appearances in movie and television shows. Speaking of Tony Stark, Musk made a cameo appearance in Iron Man 2. He also has appeared as himself in shows such as The Simpsons, Big Bang Theory, and South Park. Musk is the real-life Tony Stark. While Stan Lee based the Tony Stark character on Howard Hughes, Robert Downey Jr., the actor who portrayed Tony Stark in the Marvel movies, famously based his portrayal of Iron Man on Musk. How cool is that? Next, we have Tesla and its success. Tesla Motors was founded with the mission of designing and building electric cars. Musk invested in the company and became its chairman in 2004, a year after its inception, taking on an active role in the design of the Roadster, which won the Global Green Product Award. During the recession, when the company was adversely affected, he went on to become the CEO and product architect of the company, a role he still holds today. Musk was heavily involved in the design of Tesla Motors' first electric sports car, the Tesla Roadster. Musk received the 2006 Global Green Product Design Award for this vehicle, presented by Mikhail Gorbachev. He can sing a song, too. In January 2002, Musk released an electronic dance track titled Don't Doubt Your Vibe. Musk wrote the music and lyrics, and it's unsure if his girlfriend, the singer Grimes, provided any assistance. It's actually his second song, following the 2019 release of R.I.P. Harambe, about the Cincinnati zoo gorilla that was shot and killed when a child jumped in the enclosure. James Bond car. In 2013, Musk purchased the Lotus Esprit car, used in the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me. Musk planned on upgrading the vehicle with an electric power plant and the ability to actually transform from land driver to submersible. As a child growing up in South Africa, Musk was fascinated when Roger Moore drove the vehicle off a pier and it magically transformed into a submarine. Current projects like SpaceX. Musk was frustrated with NASA's lack of attention to Mars, so he decided to address it himself. A significant portion of SpaceX is devoted to developing a rocket capable of reaching Mars. The somewhat aspirational timeline consists of launching a payload of cargo supplies in 2022 and reaching the Red Planet sometime in 2023. Entrepreneurial skills like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Elon Musk is best known for creating Tesla. However, he actually spends over half his time managing 4 other billion-dollar companies: space travel, artificial intelligence, underground bullet trains, and submersibles are all a part of his portfolio. He also has what one would call a pretty interesting hobby: colonizing Mars. He has the technical entrepreneur skills of Bill Gates or Steve Jobs and the business acumen of Henry Ford. However, like Howard Hughes, he's able to transform disparate ideas into successful ventures. At age 49, he shows no indication of slowing down. We've all heard of his 100-hour work weeks and mass consumption of caffeine. Like a lot of creative personalities, some of his ideas and methods have been somewhat questionable. Only time will tell if they're sustainable or very expensive hobbies. Musk dropped out of Stanford after just 2 days. After earning 2 bachelor's degrees, yes, 2, at the University of Pennsylvania, he moved to California to study physics at Stanford. But after just 2 days, he dropped out to found his first company, Zip2 Corporation. Musk's official Tesla salary is way lower than you think. Musk's total compensation package for Tesla is less than $40,000. He doesn't even cash the checks. However, between 35 million Tesla shares he owns and his earnings from SpaceX, he's doing just fine. Musk ran a nightclub out of his house in college. When he was attending the University of Pennsylvania, Musk and his roommate decided to escape student housing and live in a bigger house off campus. In order to pay the rent, they turned it into a nightclub that attracted as many as 1,000 patrons per night. He's a multitasker. Multitasking is the most important part of Elon Musk's day. Not a minute of his day is spent doing anything that's not worthwhile. For Musk, there's no such thing as a busy schedule. He likes to stay productive and prioritize his daily activities. Despite such a demanding lifestyle, Elon Musk has successfully found the perfect formula for himself. From spending quality time with his family to making sure his work is never neglected, we can safely say that this billionaire sure knows how to use his time well. Will he become the first trillionaire? Elon Musk is a very smart inventor and innovator. He has some great ideas and solutions to some of the biggest of human problems. Elon Musk is commercializing his ideas. That's why we have Tesla Motors, a solution to climate change. Neural Inc. is a solution to the threat of AI to humans, and SpaceX is a solution to having another planet to live on. To be really financially successful in life, you must convert your smartness, ideas, and solutions to products and services that people will pay you for. At the time of the Tesla stock shares announcement, Elon Musk was worth an estimated $21.8 billion. That's nothing to sneeze at, but he was far from the top 10 of the world's richest. If he hits all the goals, however, Elon Musk could become the richest person in the world. Think about it. Today, Elon Musk has a net worth of around $83 billion. If Musk owns 28.3% of Tesla stock, which he would if he hits all the benchmarks, and Tesla is worth $650 billion, then his share of the company would be worth nearly $200 billion. And that's how Elon Musk could become the richest person on the planet. If you guys love technology, let us know in the comment section below. Also, let us know if you think Elon Musk has a shot of becoming the first trillionaire or not. Do you know of any other secrets about Elon Musk? Let us know in the comment section below. Check the link in the description, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon button so that you'll get a notification whenever we post a new video.